In this video, we'll be looking at the mean value theorem, or the average value. Now, the theorem states that if f is continuous on the closed interval from a to b, then there exists a number c in that closed interval such that the integral from a to b of f of x dx is equal to f of c times b minus a. So our mean value theorem states that if we look at the rectangle, this is b, so this is f of b, and we know that the area of this rectangle down to the x-axis, the area of the green rectangle is more than the area under the curve and basically we're looking at just from A to B, so this should be just this much, not to there. And then if we take our lowest point here, the orange rectangle, the area of the orange rectangle is less than the area under the curve. And so the mean value theorem says that there's some number c in this interval such that, and let's just say it's right here, such that the area of the black rectangle is equal to the integral from a to b of f of x dx. So if this is c, then this is f of c. And so the area of the black rectangle is the height, which is f of c, times this length, which is b minus a. Now let's use our mean value theorem. Our problem is to find the value of c guaranteed by the mean value theorem for f of x equals 9 divided by x cubed over the closed interval from 1 to 3. So our mean value theorem states that the integral from 1 to 3 of our function, and I'm going to write that as 9x to the negative 3 dx is equal to some c value, f of c, so 9 divided by c cubed, times b minus a, so 3 minus 1. So our problem is to find the value of c that's guaranteed by this theorem. So let's go ahead and integrate on the left side. We know that we need to increase the exponent by 1 and then divide by the new exponent, so that'll be a negative 2. So we have 9x to the negative 2 divided by negative 2, and that's evaluated from 1 to 3. And let me go ahead and continue this equation. This is 9 over c cubed times 2. All right, to evaluate this, we want to substitute 3 into our expression first, and then subtract from that what we get when we sub in 1. So this is 9 over negative 2, 3 to the negative 2 power, subtract, and then 9 over negative 2 times 1 to the negative 2 power. And on the right side of our equation, we have 18 over c cubed. All right, we'll do the math here. This is 1 over 9, so this will cancel with this 9 in the numerator, and we'll have a negative 1/2 on this term, and then the minuses give me a plus here, and then 9/2, and that's equal to 18 over c cubed. Well, negative 1/2 plus 9/2 is 8/2, which is 4. So I have 4 equals 18 over c cubed. Multiply both sides by c cubed. I have 4c cubed equals 18. Divide by 4. C cubed is equal to 9/2. And then cube root both sides. So that gives me c is equal to the cube root of 9/2.